Yeah, what up,
this
Van
person just
again?
sent me a bunch of little cut up pieces.
Big bastard.
Just make sure whatever you send me, you don't send it like
Justin
less
Gary,
than.
King of Steaks.
You want to send pieces about this big. And then I could.
I'm gonna mute the guy. Quick mail day. Larry Bird from Ultimate Collection. Auto, of course, out of 10. From Black, out of 50. Larry Bird Silver Ink Auto. From 2001. Authentic Cuts, Larry Bird die cut. Pretty sick card, just got that in today. So just quick mail day on a few cards I got late last week and early this week. The Ultimate out of 10, the Black out of 50, the 2001 die cut. Certified Cuts, pretty nice card. Once again, just in Steaks room, hanging out,
Back between my legs.
taking it easy. Missed out on a card today on eBay. Card that I wanted bad. Pretty disappointed. Probably won't see it again on eBay. But that's how it goes. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm out of here.